Hey guys, so I've tried to turn on my garbage disposal. And that's what happens. Not sure if y'all can hear that, but it's not working. So it's actually super easy to fix, and all we're gonna need is a 1/4 inch hex key. Let's get right to it. Now you want to take this 1/4 inch hex key, L-shaped wrench, Allen wrench, whatever you want to call it, and you want to take the shorter end and insert it in the bottom right over here. You're just twisting back and forth to let it loose. So that's exactly what we're going to do. You could already hear all that water. All right. See how it sounds. And that's how you use a hex key to save some money. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to follow my Instagram page at the Tutorial Zone. Thanks for watching.